All right, Ducky, big day. Time to get this harvest started.
Quack, quack.
Almost there. Steady, steady.
Off to the cornfield.
Almost there, little helper.
Look at these beauties. Perfect. Is it ready?
Good helper, Ducky. But these are for eating. I'm so hungry. I need that corn.
Almost finished here.
Just a little snack for my best helper.
One basket full. So much more to go.
Hey, what are you doing?
Quack! Quack!
Come back here with that. Quack.
Oh, I see.
Here. You can have this one too. No need to steal. There's plenty.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Everyone deserves to eat.
Here you go, little one. It's very good corn.
Yes, enjoy it. There is plenty for everyone.
Much better, right?
Yes, much better. Teamwork makes the harvest easy. Another day, another harvest, friends. Almost done, Ducky. Just a few more weeds.
Huh? What's that out there?
Let's see, what's going on?
Oh no! Little one is in trouble. I must help. Come on, old friend.
Yes! We're off! Hold on, Ducky.
Hold on tight, Ducky. Nothing beats a sunny drive through the fields. Is it safe? Stay here, Ducky. I'll be right back. you go, little swimmer. Home sweet home. All safe. That's good work, Ducky.
Quack, quack.
Home again. Good job, old friend.
Good night, my little helper. Another adventure tomorrow.